डियर व्यूअर्स, इस वीडियो में हम फूड इन ग्रेन इंस्पेक्टर जो कि 30/4/2023 को पीपीएससी के थ्रू हुआ है, इसके सवालात को हम इस टेस्ट के तमाम सवालात को आज हम देखेंगे और इनको सॉल्व करेंगे। पहला क्वेश्चन है इस सिलसिले में, व्हेन डिड इंडिया इन्फोर्स्ड डोमिसाइल एक्ट इन कश्मीर? 1 अप्रैल 2020 इसका आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यंगेस्ट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट सर्टिफाइड आरिश फातिमा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेशनल बर्ड चकोर, नेशनल लैंग्वेज उर्दू, सिटी सिचुएटेड ऑन द टिग्रिस बगदाद। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, महमूद गजनवी अटैक्ड इंडिया इन विच century? 11th. Next question, control plus S save, control plus C copy. Which poet got Lenin Prize? Fazm the Faz. Mountain range to the south of Pakistan? Kirthar. Next question, ambiguous antonium clarity, meager antonium large. Add fuel to fire, worsen already bad situation. He dash finished his work before the father arrived. Next question, he said, by God I am not guilty. He swore by God that he was not guilty. Next question, which of these is not shown in spelling dialog box? Edit. The accuracy of floating point representable in 216 words of computer is approximately 6 digits. Next question, how many bytes are there? 1 byte, 8 bits. Next question, which is not a page size landscape? Next question, Robert Bunsen invited what? Bunsen burner. Next question, Siachen conflict started in 1984. Next question, Dogra Raj bought Kashmir from British in 1846. Next question, who founded Mughal Empire? Babur. Next question, Mughal Empire lasted from 1526 to 1857. Next question, who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Next question, the state of the air and atmosphere, particle, time and place, weather. Next question, light pen is a optical input device. Next question, ice capped mountain are present on Pluto. Next question, an error in software or hardware is called a bug. What is the alternative computer jargon for it? Glitch. Next question, UNICEF headquarters located in New York. Next question, IMF was founded in 1944. Next question, what is the most soluble in water? Sugar. Next question, Wazir Khan Mosque located in Lahore. Next question, stars in Pakistan flags represents light, wisdom and knowledge. Next question, Zimidar Akhbar was issued by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Next question, demography study of births and deaths. Next question, Majlis is the parliament name of Iran. Next question, pros and cons mean for and against things. Next question, who developed binomial theorem? Umar Khayyam. Next question, climax antonium down. Next question, East India Company was founded in 1600. Next question, vessels which are called capillaries. Next question, EBDO and PODO enforced by Ayub Khan. Next question, Atlantic Charter was signed between Roosevelt and Churchill. Next question, which country joined UN in 2006? Montenegro. Next question, Kashmiri leader died in 2021. Ali Shah Gilani. Next question, capacity of lungs 5 liters. Next question, who is the current air chief of Pakistan. Zahir Ahmad, Babar Sidhu. Next question, Jews killed in World War II, 5.7 million. Next question, Waterloo is located in Belgium. Slow and steady dash wins the race. Student slow and steady wins the race. Number of states of USA, 50. Next question, Andes and Himalayas in which range of uh, age group? Synzonic, synzoic, synzoic. Next question, alpine glaciers also known as valley glaciers. Next question, Kalabagh Dam in which province? Punjab. Next question, Khyber is a pass. Next question, meaning of turncoat? Traitor. Next question, metals are usually room temperature solid. In 1956, DNA polymerase was discovered from E. coli. What is the age of Supreme Court judges for retirement? 65 years. How many seats have been allocated for minorities in National Assembly? 10. Which Malaysian Prime Minister demanded independence of for Malaysia? Abdul Rahman. Gandhara civilization is the attribute of Taxila. A Berber tribe came from North Africa. 1624-54. What is the third term? It's 26. Next question. Uh, I I worked morning till noon. What is till? Conjunction. He met her before. Before is adverb. Next question. He is writing a book. Passive voice. A book is written by him. Next question. He said that I might achieve my goal. He said, may you achieve your goal. Next question. India issue new domicile law for Jammu and Kashmir 1st April 2020. Next question, gold, copper and silver deposits are found in Sindh. Next question, who is the youngest aerospace engineer of Pakistan? Aruba Faridi. हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम कहाँ पैदा हुए? इराक. आदमी नामा किसकी नज़्म है? नज़ीर अकबर आबादी. दियारे इश्क में अपना मकाम पैदा कर, ये इकबाल का मिसरा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नावल किस ज़ुबान का लफ्ज़ है? अतालवी. असदुल्ला खां का तखल्लुस क्या है? गालिब. खतूत नगारी का बहाव आदम किसे कहा जाता है? गालिब. ज़रबुल मिसल कौन सी है? नाच ना जाने आंगर टेढ़ा. मिर्ज़ा ज़हरदार बेग किसका किरदार है? डिप्टी नज़ीर अहमद. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर नॉट द साइड्स ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल? 9 cm, 5 cm and 7 cm. The sum of the ages of the son and the father of is 50 years. 10 years ago father's age 9 times as that of his son. What are the present age of the father? Its answer is 37. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.